Alright, so if you want to release the hamstrings with a partner, first what you want to do is get a partner, then you want to get them to lay face down, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to cover the whole surface area of the muscle. So let's use that massage gun. I usually like to go on the 10th setting, somewhere in between to start off. You can use less, you can use more, up to the person on the table there. So cover that entire muscle. We want to go to the outside of the muscle. We're going to go in the middle of that muscle and the inside of it. So covering that whole hamstring. Now what we can do is we can passively move and just take a hold of their ankle. Max, I don't want you to resist me, I just want you to relax. So what you're gonna do is just move that knee for them into some flexion. So bend that knee, drop it down into some extension, back down to the table. Back up. So you can hold that gun in one specific spot and just release a certain area. But what you can do is actually follow that whole muscle down while you bend, and then bring it back up as you go down. No order necessary, you can do it vice versa. Up and down, down and up. So now what we can do next is we can get them to actively do it, get them to kind of help that out. What they're gonna do is the exact same movement, but I'm not gonna help. So Max, go ahead, bend that knee, drop it back down. Repetition wise, maybe do like 12 to 15 of each, passively and actively. So you doing it and allowing your friend to do it as well. And again, covering the inside of that muscle, covering the outside, and right in the middle of it as well too. Get all those hamstrings. And let's drop back down.